Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to find out how we can use the vlookup function to its fullest sense. So vlookup is one of the best functions in Excel, and today we are going to find out how we can use it in a useful manner. As we can see, we have a data over here which is employee ID, employee name, their gender and their salary. So the vlookup function especially stands for vertical lookup, and its definition is that it looks for the value in the leftmost column and returns the same row value as per the column number you specify. Now, this statement can be understood in a better way if we go directly to the formula. So let's just start it. As I zoom away, you see employee ID, employee name, gender, and salary has been provided here. But how can we bring the data that is in this table over here directly? Let's find it. I'll minimize it, and for the employee ID, for example, say I want 1005 employee ID. I'll copy you and paste it over here. Now if I want the employee name of this employee ID, then I will use the vlookup function. Is vlookup. So now the lookup value is the leftmost value. As we can see over here, this is the leftmost column now. So we are going to select the lookup value, that is 1005. After selecting it, we'll select the table array. The table array is the entire table in which we have both our lookup value and even the answer that we are looking for. So we'll select this table just as I selected over here. I'll show you once again. I press shift and then the side arrow is salary. So I guess lookup value and table array must be clear for you now. Now let's find out what is column index number. So the column index number is the column which contains your answer. So in this table, the answer that we are looking for is this employee name, right? So in this table, employee name is in the second column. As you can see here, this is the employee name, second column. So we'll just go here and type 2 as the second column. Now, after column index number, the next criteria that is mentioned in the syntax is whether you want approximate match or exact match. We will go for exact match because approximate match will provide you the data nearby, and in most cases it provides you the wrong answer. So it's better that we use exact match, that is false. Okay, so we are completed with a function here. We'll close the arrow, close the parenthesis. Now press enter. See, Sophia Foster is the answer it's showing. Is it right? Yes. As you can see here, Sophia Foster is the answer. So that's how we can get. But if we want gender, we'll apply the same function below. For that, we can press Control and one inverted comma. So if we press Control plus inverted comma, then it provides us this. The above formula or any function above comes beneath, and that's how we get it. And now over here we have to make certain changes. As we know that the data we have, we want to find gender, and gender is in the third column in the table, as you can see over here. So we'll just change it into 3. We'll get the answer. Is Sophia Foster female? Yes, over here we can see. Great. Now for salary, we'll do the same. We can also copy this entire function, Control plus C, and then we can paste it over here. Just we have to make the changes in the column answer we need. So we need salary. So it's in the fourth column. We'll press 4. And that's how we get. Is it right? Let's verify. Yes, it is. See over here, the selected cells reflect the same answer over here. So that's how we can do manually. But as you saw, when we are typing manually, it is taking much time, right? So how can we do dynamically the same function? So let's find out how we can do it. Now we'll see dynamic, so that we don't have to change these things again and again. Let's find out how we can do that. We'll copy the same data, Control plus C, V, just these functions we are going to delete, and even this employee ID. Now over here we will create a drop down list of employee ID so that we don't have to copy from here. For that we can use the shortcut key Alt AVV. Alt AVV provides you the data validation dialog box. So in that we will select list, and in that source we are going to provide the employee ID from the table, and press OK. And here it is. We have a list of employee IDs. Now how can we do dynamically, as the question was? So we'll type vlookup again. The lookup value that we are looking for is this 1009. Table array the same, and the column index number that we need is 2, right? But in this we are not going to type 2. What we will do is we'll use the row function. Now why should we use the row function? It is because it will help us to provide the data dynamically. Now as we can see, the lookup value was this G11, table array we selected, and the row. Let's find out what the row function is providing. So we will select the row function over here. By selecting it, we will press function 9, that is F9. See, in this curly braces, it is providing us 12, right? But the answer is included in the second column over here. So we will Control plus Z to undo it, and then minus it with 10. Now why did we minus it with 10? Because our employee name is in the second column. For that reason we deducted the row with 10. And now we will select this again and press F9 and see it is providing us the answer 2, and that's what we need for this function. Now we will press Ctrl Z on doing it. Please always remember to press Ctrl Z after F9. Then in the range lookup, the same, that is we are going to select exact match for the accurate answer. We're going to select this, and then by closing the bracket, we press enter. It provides us the employee name. Now we can change it 1016, and it still provides us the right answer, as we can see over here. But now if I drag it downwards, why is it not providing me any data? The reason is this. I'll show you in the employee name. So G11 is the employee ID, whose lookup value, whose answer we are going to find. But if we go below, now we see it automatically shows G12 because we didn't fix it. Listen to me again. We didn't fix it. So what is this fixing? Let's find out. So in this, we are going to fix this. So first we will select the lookup value, that is G11. And in order to fix or lock reference, in other words, we say it lock reference. So in order to lock it, we will press F4. That's how we can lock this. The same goes to table array. We are going to lock this because our data is only in this table, right? So we will lock this too by pressing F4. And other things we don't need to lock because they have to change automatically. I'll show you after pressing enter. So now after pressing enter, I drag it downwards, we see the data is accurate. Now why didn't we fix a row and this false? Because if now I select this row and press F9, it is providing us 3 because our answer is in 3, and accordingly in the 13th row it is minusing 10 and providing us the answer we need. And the same goes with the salary column. So that's how we can attain the data dynamically through VLOOKUP. That's all in this video. You must have got clear with the concepts of a manual VLOOKUP and dynamic VLOOKUP. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like the video and subscribe this channel for more such Excel videos, because in the next one I'm going to teach HLOOKUP, which is horizontal lookup. So once again, thank you for watching the video. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.